In this video, I will be showing you how to make a photo grid in Canva using frames and the built-in grid tool. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting the Facebook post template to open up a fresh blank canvas. To create a manual grid, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and open the Frames category. I'll choose a basic square frame and place it on my design. By dragging the corners, I can resize it and then duplicate it to start building a row. I'll select the frames together to adjust their scale and continue duplicating them until I've created a perfectly aligned custom layout. Now for a much faster method, I'll go back to the Elements search bar and type in Grid. This opens up the dedicated Grids tool, which is a bit of a hidden gem. When I click on one of these options, it automatically snaps to fill the entire page. I can scroll through an extensive library of pre-made layouts to find exactly what I need for my project. Whether I'm looking for a simple vertical split, a triple column look, or a more complex arrangement of large and small windows, there are dozens of professional options to choose from. I'll click through several more styles here so you can see the sheer variety of layouts available that can save you a ton of time. That's how easy it is to create custom and professional photo grids for your projects in Canva.